Hey guys, while being close to downtown Southport or being in downtown Southport is important to some people, you can also get right outside the city limits, still be able to get to Southport and even Oak Island really easily. You don't have to pay city taxes. You don't have to worry about trying to rent out your Airbnb depending on the HOA. Let's go check some of those out today. If you want to know everything about North Carolina beach living in Southport or Oak Island, North Carolina, make sure to subscribe, tap the bell below for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Southport. I am out here in BSL, Bowling Spring Lakes. Now, I'm at the community center where there is the disc golf. You have picnic tables, a little garden, and playground back here. Now BSL deserves its own video and we'll be getting it. This is just a quick little highlight. You can get out here, the address out here is Southport, and usually you'll see subdivision Bowling Spring Lakes. But you can get a little bit more bang for your buck out here. You could still be close to Southport, still close to Oak Island, and then you can easily get up to 17, so you can get up to Wilmington. This is a great option if that is something that you are looking for. I am in BSL. There are several neighborhoods, including HOAs and non-HOAs in BSL. There are coffee shops, there are restaurants. You are 10 to 15 minutes to Southport and about 15 miles to Oak Island. You're close to it all, so you can get more space, a little bit more bang for your buck. Currently the listings in BSL, which is Bowling Springs Lakes, goes from $220 up to $500. This little cutie behind me is new construction. It is 1140 Maple Road. It's not an HOA. It is listed for $298. It's on about a 1/4 acre lot. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 902 square feet house, and it is adorable. It has a little sister one over here. That one is sold, but this one is still available. You have tons of space in BSL. There are lots of options. If that is something that you are interested in, this might be the place for you. Give me a call. I am in South Harbor Village off Long Beach Road. You are literally 3 minutes from Oak Island here. But you don't have to pay city taxes. You don't have to pay island prices. This neighborhood is called South Harbor Village. It has the Oak Island Par 3 golf course here. You're also located close to Dutchman Creek Park, which we'll go check out in just a minute. This house behind me is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,400 square feet house listed for $469. The HOA here is $906 a year. There's a clubhouse, there's a pool, there is the golf course, which is literally right across the street from this house. There's a playground, there's RV and boat storage, and there's a picnic area. And you literally go out to Long Beach Road and go out up over the bridge and you can get sand and you're on the island. So I recently had clients that we started looking on Oak Island. We were looking about in the $600,000 range, and they weren't finding exactly what they wanted. And at this point in their life, they were trying to decide where they wanted to be price point. Yes, they could pay the $600,000, but they decided to come to South Harbor Village, which is located right off Long Beach Road, which is 3 minutes from Oak Island, and get a $400,000 house and have a little extra to live off of. So this might be an option if you want to still be close to the beach, be close to Southport. They have great parks down here. This marina is located 2 minutes from South Harbor Village. If you are looking to be close to Oak Island or Southport, but want to keep under $400,000, this might be your spot. I am in Osprey Landing, a neighborhood close to downtown Southport. From here, you can drive your golf cart to downtown. and you're not in the city limits. Now, this is an HOA. It is a newer community, so they are still building a lot. They do have several houses complete. There are some that are ready to move in. The HOA includes a cabana, a pool, and it's $2,200. It has great sidewalks that are preserving trees, which I appreciate, especially in these newer communities. This is a Bill Clark community, so Bill Clark is building these houses. This house behind me is one of the ready houses that they have. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,300 square feet, new construction. So you get that 1-year warranty. It's adorable. It is listed for $564. Now, remember, when you're coming out to these communities, give me a call. My information is in the description below. You can go. They do have model homes. I always recommend having an agent with you when that happens. You don't want to get bombarded by the sales agent. Sales agents are great. They are knowledgeable, but they are there to sell you a product. I am there to represent your best interest. So give me a call. I am Jordan Brazil with RE/MAX Southern Coast. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. All of my contact information is in the description below.